Shalom, Maki. I'm giving no praise to Yahweh Shemel Shabbat Shem Kagadas, Devon to the elders of GMS who told us his truth. Salutations to you, Hakim, out there pushing this word with fear and trembling and sincerity, risking your freedom and your life to do so. Okay, as you can see, this is Lord Jamal on DJ Vlad. This is a fair use act. Okay, this is not copyrighted to get paid for or anything of that sort. This is educational strictly. Okay, I don't receive any benefits from posting these videos. Now, with that being said, as you can see, the title says Lord Jamal Reparations. No amount of money can pay for legacy of slavery. Now, according to the scriptures, this is prophecy. And yes, that is correct. No amount of money can pay for the legacy of slavery. Okay? Because it's a judgment for it. So let's get it. This is Zephaniah 3, verse 8. Therefore wait ye upon me, saith the Lord, until the day that I rise up to the prey, for my determination to gather the nation. So the scriptures say the Lord Yahweh says wait upon him till he rise up to the prey. Which are these other nations, the heathen nations? And his determination is to gather the nations, that I may assemble the kingdoms and pour upon them my indignation, even though my fierce anger. For all the earth shall be devoured with the fire of my jealousy, which is the thermonuclear missiles. You see? Why? Because thou hast oppressed the children of Israel. Alright, let's jump down to verse 11. And that day shalt thou not be ashamed for all thy doings, when thou hast transgressed against me. But then I will take away out of the midst of thee them that rejoice in thy pride, and thou shalt no more be haughty because of my holy mountain. Talking about Esau, Edom, so-called white man. Most High is going to strip pride away from him, but not to stray away too much from the topic at hand. No amount of money can pay for slavery. This is Ezekiel 35, verse 5. Let's start at 2. Son of man, set thy face against Mount Seir, and prophesied against it. Mount Seir was the dwelling place of the Edomites, okay? Which today is called so-called white man. Okay, woman and child. So Ezekiel was ordered by the Most High to set his face against Mount Seir, which is a nation, not the location. Verse 3, and say unto it, thus saith the Lord God, behold, O Mount Seir, I am against thee, and I will stretch out my hand against thee, and I will make thee most desolate. I will lay thy cities waste, and thou shalt be desolate, and thou shalt know that I am the Lord, Yahweh, because thou hast had a perpetual hatred. Perpetual means ongoing, never dying. Let's get the word perpetual. You know, the elders always talk about the words perpetual, never ending, or changing, everlasting. Okay, that has had a perpetual hatred. It has shed the blood of the children of Israel by the force of the sword. Tell me the calamity and the time that iniquity had an end. Therefore, as I live, saith the Lord God, I will prepare thee unto blood, and blood shall pursue thee. As if thou have not hated blood, the blood shall pursue thee. And that's what's going to happen. Okay, according to the scriptures. Um, Jeremiah 16, verse 16. Therefore, all they that devour thee shall be devoured, and all thine adversaries, every one of them, shall go into captivity. And they that spoil thee shall be a spoil. All that prey upon thee shall I give for a prey. Okay? So that's plain into the point. With that, I want to give up praise to Yahweh, Hashem Shah, Hashem Rakakadas, the one to the elders. Till next time, Shalom.